Yo, what's up guys? So welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing GEEK'D again, and waking up super early. Basically the same thing as last year, so yeah. Alright, if you don't know who I'm going as Peter Parker from Spider-Man Far From Home. I decided to go a little bit more low-key instead of wearing a spandex Spider-Man suit. Alright you guys, so we're about to leave. I'm all dressed up and ready to go. Waiting to CO. He couldn't come because he's moving, so I'm still very tired. So. Okay, so originally I was going to wear Tony Stark glasses, and I ordered them and everything, and it says it's not going to be here till Tuesday. Yeah, so I kind of made do with what I had, and this is supposed to be the main piece, but yeah, here's a little clip to show you how I made this. It starts at 10. Alright you guys, so we're about to go into GEEK'D. I'm dressed up as Spider-Man, so let's go ahead and go. Open my door. Walking downstairs. Nobody's here. I don't know if they started yet. Alright, you guys, we're at GEEK'D here, reading at comic books, so yeah. Alright, you guys, going out of GEEK'D 2019. It was awesome. Got a picture with Stanley and Oscar from The Office, and I got some comic books and posters. Really fun. But yeah, signing out. See you guys in the next video.